Educated, employed and confirmed job, that is D. So B is what? Educated and employed but not in confirmed job. So that's why answer is B. Next. Next is find the missing number. 63, 189, 567 and next is what? See here. There can be two options. In some books only one option is given, but there can be two options. How? Let's see. Here 63 into 3 189, 189 into 3 567, 567 into 3 1701. That is one way out. Okay. Second option is 567 upon 3 189, 189 upon 3 63, 63 upon 3 21. So both the options can be there. Whichever option is given to you in the exam, tick that. Okay. Select the figure from the options. These are the four options. As to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. Dotted line means this center, along the center. Now if I fold this, how will it appear? This, which one? So this is the answer, B, right? Because that will form a V with the vertical lines at the end. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various examinations, competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Think behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.